Hey everybody, I'm Scott Starcher and I love to cook. Welcome to Make Your Belly Happy Barbecue. Let's get to cooking. All right, hey everybody, welcome back to Make Your Belly Happy Barbecue. I had a couple requests, and today I want to make my pasta salad. It's great for picnics, parties, what have you. I make a lot of this. Once again, these are one of those things that it's all to taste. So you add something, take something away. There's certain things I like, certain things I don't like. So don't talk to me about putting broccoli in it, because I don't like broccoli or cauliflower, so I don't put broccoli or cauliflower in my pasta salad. But I do start with the tricolor Rotini. You can use plain, you can use whatever pasta you like. I like the Rotini, and I like the three colors because it just makes it look good. To that, I add cucumbers, tomatoes, celery, whatever vegetables you like. I've got some cut up sweet. I like the sweet peppers, like the red, yellows, and oranges. I'm not so much a big fan of the green peppers, but you can put those in if you like. Carrots. I said tomatoes, I think, already. I liked the black olive sliced. Some people don't like black olives. Don't put black olives in your pasta salad. And then I top it off with some cheese. My dressing is, I just use regular Italian dressing. I've used all kinds of different dressings. I've used ranch. I've used Italian. I like the Italian. I like the flavor. Then I put like some garlic, salt, and pepper to taste. And maybe even some basil. I think I put basil or oregano. I don't know which one. I think it's oregano. I never know until I smell them which one smells right. So I'm going to get these vegetables chopped up, get my Rotini boiling, and once it's cooled down, I made this mistake. Don't use hot pasta, because when I did and I put the cheese in there, all the cheese melted. You don't want the cheese melting, so don't use hot pasta. Make sure you cool it down, put it in an ice bath. You want it to stop cooking once you get it to al dente anyways. If you cook it too long, it gets soft and it falls apart and you have little shreds of pieces of pasta. So cook it to about al dente. You want it a little bit firm but not crunchy. What else? I think that's it. And I usually put pepperoni in it, but I forgot the pepperoni and I wasn't walking clear back to the other end of Walmart. So we're not going to have pepperoni in this one. That's about it. So let's get the water boiling, get pasta in it, and I'm going to chop up these vegetables. Okay. So my pasta's boiled. I dumped the water off it. Now I'm going to put it in ice just to cool it down really fast. I want it to stop cooking, and I want it to cool down so that I can add it to my vegetables. So I'm going to let it sit in this ice bath, and then I'll dump the water out, and then I'm ready to mix it with the vegetables. All right, our pasta's cooled, so we're going to dump it in our pan to mix up. And then here's all the chopped up vegetables. I got tomatoes, peppers, sweet peppers, celery. I've got cucumbers, carrots, and I forgot earlier, but I put an onion in here. So I'm going to dump it. Get it all in here. And then to that, we're going to add get everyone. Don't want to leave anybody behind. So to that, we're going to add Italian dressing. So this again, people like my pasta salad because I put 2 whole jars to 1 box of pasta, and there's probably more cut up vegetables than there is pasta. So I got a lot of flavor and a lot of stuff. So I've had some pasta salads that were pretty much all pasta, and you had to pick around. You didn't have very many vegetables. So I like a lot of the vegetables and less pasta. But once again, this is my recipe. I've never had anybody complain about my pasta salad. It's always been positive reactions. And the reason I put extra Italian dressing in is because as the pasta sits, since it's al dente, it will soak up, or the pasta will soak up some of the oils in the salad dressing the longer it sits. So you want to make sure everything's coated. Your noodles, your vegetables, everything's coated with the Italian dressing. And then on top of that, I'm going to sprinkle, I like shredded cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar, whatever, regular cheddar. Then again, this is one of those where it's to taste. So you like a lot of cheese, you like Swiss cheese, you like anything shredded, you know, it's all on what you like. I've seen people put Parmesan. I like the shredded cheddar. I think, you know, if a variation would be to put like a shredded hot pepper cheese in there, if you like that. But I eat certain foods hot. I don't eat pasta salad hot. Alright. Always add oregano, or this is oregano. So I add oregano. I just sprinkle a little bit here and there. Probably about a teaspoon, maybe a little more. Even though there's garlic in the Italian dressing, and there's even oregano and stuff in that, I still like to add a little bit extra. So I put a little garlic. Anybody, you guys watching me cook, I can add garlic to everything. Salt. This is salt to taste. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon and about a teaspoon of pepper. Like I said, I think there's a lot of this is in, but I like extra. And you can add, subtract, you know, it's all to taste. The whole point is to make your bellies happy. And so this is how I make it. I've made it this way for years. I made it this way at the Golf Hazard when I cooked at that little bar up in Parkersburg. And I've never had one single person complain about my pasta salad. Or at least they didn't complain to me, because then I would have told them to screw it, you don't get any more. So I don't like people complaining about my food. So I just, you know, you don't like it, don't eat it. Simple as that. I cook to my taste, and I got a pretty good palate as far as home cooking food. Growing up with my mom, she was an awesome cook, so I'm pretty sure this is how she made it. Maybe not exactly, but we had different taste. So there it is, Scott's homemade pasta salad. Alright, now that we got this pasta salad all mixed together, I let it chill a little bit because I like it cold. Time to take our first bite. This is good stuff. That's good pasta salad. It's good for parties. I make it for picnics. There's no mayonnaise or anything in like that, so you can take it on a picnic and don't worry about it getting bad. If you have a party, you can set it out in a big pan. And don't be afraid to go with a little heavier on the Italian dressing. You can add some ranch dressing in there if you like it a creamy style. Add broccoli if you like that crappy old broccoli. But there's anything, you know, you just add what you like. Don't get the noodles too done or they break apart, and you don't want that. I like pepperoni in this, and I didn't have any pepperoni. I'm going to go to the store probably tomorrow and add some pepperoni to it. But, you know, just play with it, and then add your seasonings and everything, like, you know, until you get it to your like. You know, that's what I did. It took me years to get it perfected, and I think I pretty much have it perfected now. So, you know, get your pasta done. Cut up your vegetables. You know, put lots of vegetables in there. You know, if you don't like lots of vegetables, then if you like the pasta more, then you cut back on your vegetables. Sometimes I'll go 2 or 3 cucumbers in one big bowl and 2 boxes of pasta. You know, 2 or 3 tomatoes. You know, a couple packages of pepperoni, 2 packages of cheese. I mean, I just put a lot of stuff in there because, you know, don't be afraid to, you know, to add a lot extra stuff. So make your pasta salad, make your bellies happy. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Hit that bell to get your notifications every time I release a new video. And keep making those bellies happy. This is Bronson. If you want to make your belly happy, eat this pasta salad and like and subscribe to these videos. Thank you.